So in this video, I'll share with you how I achieved a stretched braid out from an old braid, like a braid of like 7 days, and it still came out well, you know. So I already started before I filmed, but let me just show you what I did. So normally I pack my hair up like that, and then when you take it down, your braids are folded like that, you know. And to achieve something nice, it has to be stretched. So first thing, I went in with my spray bottle, like water and oil, which is always what's there. Spritz the hair from ends all the way to the roots. Then I seal in that moisture just to refresh the braids again for that day, and like kind of wake it up so that the hair is kind of juicy when I have it out. It was actually really dry, so you massage everything, your neem hair, the entire hair. I'd stretched this one already, so let me show you how I do that. This rubber thread, what I get in my local area, I don't think it's the actual African thread though. They just take one and then pick out the section of how you want to do, get the others out of the way. It depends on how short or long your hair is. If your hair is really short, then you go into more sections than I'll do. Yeah, so you pick that thread, hold it fast. You see where my thumb and my pointer finger is, you hold it there, and then you go round over it with the thread, over it again to hold on to the hair, but try not to hold it too tight, and then you begin threading. So you just keep going down. I left gaps because I wasn't trying to do a proper thread. I was leaving gaps, so be careful not to snag so tight on your hair. And then when you get to the end, you don't want to knot it here because it will mess your hair up actually. So you'd go with the thread over your third finger, return it back up and continue threading. So you go on and thread through the end of your hair. Like you don't have to stop exactly where your hair stops. So you thread to the end of your hair, move on to the next one, do just the same thing. Hold that thread with your thumb and your pointer finger, and then go over and over. Start threading, like you take it over the hair till you get to the end, and then you thread all the way to the end of your hair. And the advantage of this thread is when you get to the end and it seems like it's finished, you can pull because it's rubber, so it stretches, and then you continue your thing until you are done threading. So yeah, I'm done. I got 4, but I didn't want to leave it to touch my body because I had other things to do. So I got them all up together and then packed it there. Yeah, now for this you don't have to sleep in this overnight. You can just do it like a couple of hours before you want to go out. You don't have to sleep overnight. So I put it together because I had a couple of things to do at the time before going out that evening, and then not there, so it gave me this actual African look, like the basket head African trend. Okay, so I was trying to moisturize my edges, like so. I'm ready to bring down the stretch and see what it looks like. I'm stepping out like. Okay, so you now gently try to loosen out the pack and then take down the thread. So that method of threading after your hair helps you pull. So when you pull, you just get everything out, like the thread just jumps out of your hair. Now that part you can pull it out. That's exactly what I was trying to say. That leftover part, there's no hair in there. You can pull it out, loosen it up, and reuse this thread, so you don't have to go back to the store to get another one next time. It's reusable over and over and over again. So can somebody tell me yay or nay, because this actually looks stretched? Yupper. Okay, so I need to get the entire braid out of the way so I can start taking down each braid at a time. Truth is, if you have to do this, start it like an hour or even more before you go out, because damn you, it took me a long time to take down my braids. Yeah, and then at some point I got tired, so I went into my bedroom to sit and then get that breeze blowing my hair and popping the hair and getting me ready. So I'm done taking down my braids. So let's see what this really looks like. So there are a couple of things that I introduced into my regimen, which I think is helping me. Look at that shine. Like I think I'm getting a positive look, so I'll give you details breakdowns of what I now do in my hair care regime that I think I'm loving. And I think I also love this braid out. I didn't want it to be so big. I didn't want it to be so everywhere. I just wanted something cool for the evening, and that's what I got. Yeah.